2 billion acres, the Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world. This region is home to 10% of the world known species and represents over half of the rainforest on the planet. The Congo rainforest. This African rainforest stretches out over 1.5 million square miles. Deforestation has turned the region into one of the most endangered ecosystems in the world. There are 5 national parks in the Congo rainforest which are designated as World Heritage Sites. The Bosowas Biosphere Reserve in northern Nicaragua spans an area of over 5 million acres, making it one of the world's largest rainforests. The region was designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1997. Daintree Rainforest. This ancient rainforest, which was named after geologist and photographer Richard Daintree, is located on the coast of Queensland, Australia. At over 165 million years old, it is thought to be the oldest tropical rainforest in the world. Southeast Asian rainforests stretching from India to Malaysia. These forests were once the most biodiverse regions of the world before much of the land was cleared for logging and farming. Most of Asia's tropical rainforests are scattered across the islands of Indonesia. Experts believe that the rainforests of Malaysia existed as far back as 100 million years ago. Tongass National Forest. Half of the Tongass National Forest is covered in rainforests, and the other half is made up of rock, ice, and water. The largest trees in Alaska are found here, and only about 25% of these trees are protected. This region covers 11,000 miles of coastline and is home to about 75,000 people in 32 communities. Kinabalu National Park. Kinabalu was the first national park in Malaysia, and was also the country's first World Heritage Site. The 130-million-year-old rainforest is considered to be one of the most important biological sites in the world, with thousands of species of plants and animals. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Located in the mountains of Costa Rica, this region was designated as a reserve in 1972 to protect the forest from logging. The area is made up of rivers, rainforests, and cloud forests, and is said to have some of the best bird watching in the world. Senharaja Forest Reserve. This national park in Sri Lanka was designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1978. 60% of the park trees are endemic to the region and many are considered to be extremely rare. Valdivian Temperate Rainforest. Located on the west coast of South America, this ecoregion spans from Chile to Argentina. 4 forest ecosystems exist within the Valdivian Temperate Rainforest, including the Patagonian Andean Forest, the Northern Patagonian Forest deciduous forests, and laurel forests.